Chiliz value equivalent to 1.9600 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.9229 2.1170. The earlier day close, 2.0492. The change was 0.0892, 4.35%. Converse rate, ZAR to CHZ. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, Walk 13, cost 2.13 rands, high 2.28, low 1.98. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, Walk 14, cost 2.00 rands, high 2.14, low 1.86. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 15, cost 1.83 rands, high 1.96, low 1.70. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, Walk 16, cost 1.83 rands, high 1.96, low 1.70. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, Walk 17, cost 1.86 rands, high 1.99, low 1.73. In multi-week Chiliz gauge on Monday, Walk 20, cost 1.85 rands, high 1.98, low 1.72. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 21, cost 1.79 rands, high 1.92, low 1.66. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, Walk 22, cost 1.69 rands, high 1.81, low 1.57. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 23, cost 1.63 rands, high 1.74, low 1.52. Chiliz estimate on Friday, Walk 24, cost 1.71 rands, high 1.83, low 1.59. In about 14 days Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, Walk 27, cost 1.69 rands, high 1.81, low 1.57. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, Walk 28, cost 1.68 rands, high 1.80, low 1.56. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 29, cost 1.71 rands, high 1.83, low 1.59. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, Walk 30, cost 1.71 rands, high 1.83, low 1.59. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, Walk 31, cost 1.66 rands, high 1.78, low 1.54. In 3 weeks Chiliz estimate on Monday, April 3, cost 1.64 rands, high 1.75, low 1.53. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost 1.63 rands, high 1.74, low 1.52. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, April 5, cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70, low 1.48. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77, low 1.53. Chiliz gauge on Friday, April 7, cost 1.63 rands, high 1.74, low 1.52. In about a month Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77, low 1.53. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost 1.71 rands, high 1.83, low 1.59. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for Walk 2023. In the first place cost at 2.41 rands, exorbitant cost 2.56, while low cost 1.52. Found the middle value of cost 2.04. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.66, change for spring 31.1%. Chiliz gauge for April 2023. In the first place cost at 1.66 rands, exorbitant cost 1.88, while low cost 1.29. Found the middle value of cost 1.56. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.39, change for April 16.3%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2023. Initially cost at 1.39 rands, excessive cost 1.54, while low cost 1.34. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.43. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.44, change for May 3.6%. Chiliz conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 1.44 rands, excessive cost 1.79. While low cost 1.44. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.59. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.67, Change for June 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 1.67 rands, excessive cost 1.67, while low cost 1.30. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.51. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.40. Change for July 16.2%. Chiliz conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 1.40 rands, exorbitant cost 1.40, while low cost 1.10. The found the middle value of cost 1.27. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.18. Change for August 15.7%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2023. To start with cost at 1.18 rands, exorbitant cost 1.20, while low cost 1.04. The found the middle value of cost 1.14. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.12. Change for September 5.1%. Chiliz estimate for October 2023. To start with cost at 1.12 rands, exorbitant cost 1.38, while low cost 1.12. The found the middle value of cost 1.23. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.29. Change for October 15.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 1.29 rands, exorbitant cost 1.61, while low cost 1.29. The found the middle value of cost 1.42. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.50. Change for November 16.3%. Chiliz figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 1.50 rands, excessive cost 1.86, while low cost 1.50. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.65. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.74. Change for December 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 1.74 rands, excessive cost 1.74, while low cost 1.36. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.58. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.46. Change for January 16.1%. Chiliz figure for February 2024. Initially cost at 1.46 rands, excessive cost 1.46, while low cost 1.14. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.32. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.23. Change for February 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 1.23 rands, excessive cost 1.23, while low cost 0.96. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.11. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.03. Change for spring 16.3%. ZAR to CHZ swapping scale equivalent to 0.5102 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4724 0.5200. The earlier days nearby 0.4880. Change for now plus 0.0222 plus